Yeah, of course, society is male dominated and the industry is no different. Otherwise, you'll never see any recognition for adult stars. So, obviously, society is to a very, very large extent male dominated. It is a man's world.
Koimoi.com.
When we talk about veteran actor and actresses, we don't really talk about the adult movie stars, and specifically Shakila. Uh, what do you think is the reason behind that?
Because no one wants to accept that they've seen adult films, you know. She lives in the south. She continues to work as a junior artist in films, and so everyone knows her, and she's today very respected because she's has a good heart. But otherwise, you'll never see any recognition for adult stars because even see at this time, even adult stars. I mean, there was no. I don't think there was any nudity, and it was pre-internet. So if you look at the films that they made at that time, right now they seem innocent almost compared to what is now freely available on the internet. But I feel like yeah, I think mostly people don't speak about them because they don't want to admit कि हमने ये फिल्में की हैं यार, देखी हैं.
So,
Yeah.
tell me one thing. We have already seen you doing bold avatars. So, this is the first time, you'll be seen in a biopic. So, is this how you planned to, like, debut in a biopic, or I don't know. I mean, how was it for you, like, taking up this movie?
See, I didn't plan anything. This part just came to me, and I had read about her. I'd seen her long ago when I was a child. I saw a cover with India Today where she was highlighted, and people were talking about her and the kind of films that she did, etc. So I thought that she's a well-known phenomena, and for that reason, I thought it'll be interesting to play her. I didn't plan on doing a biopic or not. Matlab, you, sometimes you can't plan these things, you know.
Yeah.
You just have free date sometimes, or um, you suddenly read something that excites you like that. It works like that.
Yeah. So I spoke to Indrajit sir, and he was really in awe of you. And he said that, you are totally a natural at whatever you does. You just get into the skin of the character so well.
Yeah, thank you.
Tell me one thing. Do you feel that our society and industry is still male dominated? Because, if it would have been a male actor, as an adult male actor who would have done something of this sort, so there wouldn't have been this brouhaha around it. But since it was a woman and she wanted to get into adult industry, so, it became all complicated and people started seeing it in a not so decent way.
I no, so in her life, she never wanted to get into this industry. It was her mother always who forced her to do stuff and make some money for the family. And yeah, of course, society is male dominated and the industry is no different. Look at our world leaders. Show me how many women you see there: top CEOs, top editors, top bankers, top everything. You'll see that it's predominantly male. So obviously, society is to a very, very large extent male dominated. It is a man's world. And yeah, some of us are fighting to change that and bring equality.
Koimoi.com.